My name is Shweta. I'm going to teach you mathematics. Okay. So are you all ready to learn mathematics? Raise your hand, children. How many of you want to learn maths? ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ. Raise your hands, all of you. Yes. Okay. So shall we start the class? Okay. I think ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, yes. Okay, now today I'm going to start the second chapter, that is rational numbers. Rational numbers. And before going to the class, I'm going to teach you some basic concepts. So all of you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Once again, I'll recall all those things. Okay. For example, plus 5 plus 3. See, I'm writing the same numbers with different signs. Okay. This is minus 5 and this is minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3 and minus 5 plus 3. Okay, I have written 4 examples here, and all the numbers are same, but the signs are different here, right? Now, see here, in first example, the 2 numbers are positive numbers. In second example, both are negative numbers. In third example, one is positive, one is negative. Here also one is positive and another one is negative number. And you should know all these basic concepts clearly first. Okay, because if you do small mistakes, minus and plus, everything will become wrong, right? No, so you will not get any marks, right? No, so in the first example, both are positive numbers, right? No, this is plus 5 and this is plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? You will say that directly it is 8. So both are positive numbers. So it is, you will get the answer plus 8. And next come to the second example. Here both are negative number. So what you are going to do here? Here also we are adding the numbers. Got it? 5 plus 3 is 8. But write the minus sign as it is. Got it, children? Here, both the signs are, when the signs are same, you should add the numbers. Got it? If both are positive numbers, then also we added the numbers. If both are negative numbers, then also we added the numbers. But it is minus 8. Okay? And here, one is plus, one is minus. If the signs are different, nothing, just you subtract the number. But the answers are not same. We won't get the same answer, right? No, because it is plus 5 and it is minus 5. So while writing the answer, you should see the sign of the big number. Here, which is the big number? 5 is big number. So it has plus sign. So in the answer, we will put plus sign. See, come to the last one. We have subtracted the numbers, right? And big number has minus sign, so you will put minus sign. Understood, children? If both are plus, if both are minus, add the numbers. And for this, write minus as it is. And in third and fourth cases, we have subtracted the number, put the sign of the big number. That's it. That is about addition and subtraction. Now come to multiplication and division. For example, plus 3 into plus 5. I'll take 6. Before that, I will write here plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus, that is equal to, it is also plus, plus into minus or minus into plus. Both are same, no? Plus into minus or minus into plus, it will be minus. Okay, children, what are we doing here? We are multiplying the signs here. See here, we are multiplying plus 3 and plus 6. Next, minus 3 into minus 6. Next, 3 into minus 6 or minus 3 into 6. I have written 4 cases, different cases. Here both are positive numbers, plus into plus. First you should multiply the signs. Plus into plus is plus. 3 6 are 18. Next, minus into minus. See what I have written here. Minus into minus is plus. So write plus. But in case of addition and subtraction, what we did? Minus 3 minus 6 means we will add the numbers, but it is minus 9 answer. But in multiplication, minus into minus becomes plus 18. Okay, children. So plus into minus is minus. 3 6 are 18. Here also minus into plus. If there is no any sign means that is understood it is positive number. Minus 3 into 6 is minus 18. Okay, children. I think all of you understood all these basic concepts. Okay, I'll go to division. For example, plus 2 divided by plus 4. See, plus plus means, see, you are dividing the number. See, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you will get 1 by 2 answer. Suppose you are dividing minus 2 minus 10 divided by minus 2. See, how will you write this? Minus 10 divided by minus 2. Write minus 10 divided by minus 2. In division, see what are we doing here? We are cancelling this. Minus minus get cancelled. Okay. So 2 ones, 2 fives. It is equal to 5. Okay, children. Next, minus 10 divided by plus 2. So minus 10 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 fives. You will get minus 5 answer. So this is about division. Okay, I think all of you understood division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And next, I'll teach you fractions, children. For example, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. See, you know, okay, before that, 1 by 5. These are the fractions already you have learned in, you are learning from since 4th standard, right now? Yes. Here 2 by 5 means, here 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator, right? Numerator and denominator. Here 1 is numerator, 5 is denominator. We are adding the fractions here. See what are the bases here? Sorry, denominators here. The denominators are same. So what I will do? I will write 5 in denominator. So 5 and 5 both the denominators are same. Write that in denominator. When the denominators are same, you can add the numerators directly. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 5. Okay, children. Now I'm going to teach you subtraction. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. See here also the denominators are same. Right, 3 as you should not add or subtract the denominators. In addition and subtraction, see we write directly. 3 is common, same. So write 3 in denominator. Write the numerators in the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. See, we got the answer 1 by 3. And I'll teach you multiplication. 2 by 5 into 3 by 6. See here, the denominators are different. Here we don't bother about the denominators. Okay. See, in multiplication, we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. Or you can cancel numerator with denominator. See, which numbers can you cancel in this? See, we have 2 in numerator, 3 in numerator. In denominator, we have 5 and 6. Either you can cancel 2 and 6 or 3 and 6. Got it? We can cancel 2 1s, 2 3s or 3 1s, 3 2s. But you can cancel only one time. You cannot cancel 2 1s, 2 3, 3 1s, 3 2s like that. Okay. We can cancel only one time. 2 1s, 2 3s. Now we have 3 right now. So I will write once again. See, now we can cancel these 3s and 1 by 5 is the answer. See, here we got 6 by 30. You can reduce the fraction. Reduce is nothing but what? So keep the answer in the simplest form. You have to simplify the fraction. See, both are divisible by 6. So 6 1s, 6 5s. So what is the answer? We got the same answer here also. Understood, children? In multiplication, we can cancel the numerator and denominators. Next, I'll go for division. 3 by 5 divided by 10 by 2 or 10 by 7. So that is equal to, see, in division, we have some changes here. 3 by 5, first fraction as it is. And we are going to change the sign, children. Here, I will change the division symbol into multiplication sign. When you change the sign, you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. See, we have changed the sign. What is the next step? So you can also answer me. What is the next step? Yes, you have to take the reciprocal of second fraction. What do you mean by reciprocal? Can you answer me? What do you mean by reciprocal? Yes, we have to take. So numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator. So 10 by 7 becomes 7 by 10. Got it? Now you know to multiply the fractions. 7 into 3, it is 21. 5 into 10, it is 50. So this is about fraction, children. And I have to teach one more concept in this. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. See, in previous example, I gave the denominators same. Denominators were same. So we directly added the numerators. Numerator na ನಾವು direct ಆಗಿ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ? When the denominators are same. Denominators same ಇದ್ದಾಗ numerators na add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But what are the denominators here? The denominators are different. 3 ಇದೆ, 6 ಇದೆ. When the denominators are different, you have to take LCM. All of you know how to take LCM, right? Yes. So you have to divide by prime numbers. 3 1s, 3 2s. So again divide by 2. Here 1 is right as it is, children, and 1s. Now multiply the factors. I think already you know how to find LCM and all. So what is 6 here? It is LCM. So what I will do? I will write the first fraction here. See, why? What is the need of taking LCM? Why we have taken LCM means you have to make the denominator same. Same means how much you have to get? Yes. So that is LCM. So how much is the LCM here? 6. So you have to make the denominator 6. LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ನ 6 ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಕಲೀಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್? ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ we have 3. How to make it 6? Just multiply by 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3 ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, 6 ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? Multiply by 2. So same thing, I am multiplying the numerator also. Okay, so denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ numerator ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Here we have in second fraction already there is 6. See, LCM is also 6. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, just I will write 1. Got it? Now 2 into 2 is 4 by 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 6 into 1 is 6. So now the denominators are same, right now? So you can add the numerators directly. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is your answer. So one thing, children, when the denominators are same, add the numerators directly. If the denominators are different, you have to take LCM. LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೋ ನೀವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? We have 3 here, so we multiplied by 2. So denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. And here we have multiplied by 1. So this is your answer. I will give one more example. For example, 2 by 7 minus 3 by 21, or take any number. So what are the denominators here? Are the same? Say yes sir, no, you should say, you should respond. Okay, so one way teaching agod beda, neevu maatadta iri. Okay, so are the denominators same? No, they are different. So what you have to do? You have to take LCM. Take LCM for 7 and 21. So I told you, you have to take only prime numbers. Which are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9 is not prime number. Prime number andre it should not, it has only 2 factors. Adu yav table allu a number bandirbardu. 9 is not prime number because 9 is multiple of 3. 3 table alli 9 baratte alva. So 7 andre it is prime number. So 7 ones, 7 threes. Now divide it by 3. So multiply the factors, children. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. What is 21 here? It is LCM. Least common multiple. So what is the first step? If you know to do directly, you can write. See how I am writing here. What is LCM? 21. So what I will do now, we have 7 in first fraction. Denominator is 7. You have to make it 21. So ಎಷ್ಟು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 7 3s 21. Right now, so that you write in the numerator. Right now we will write like this. So 2 into 3, 6. You can write directly, or if you don't know, I explained in the previous time, no, like that also you can write. So here already there is 21. So multiply by 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 by 21. That is equal to, we can reduce the fraction. Both are divisible by 3. So 3 ones, 3 7. So your answer is 1 by 7. Okay, children, because this is rational numbers, no? That's why I'm teaching all this. Okay, now let us go for the chapter, which is the second chapter, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Yes, for example, numbers means, you know, in our daily life, always we are using the numbers. Right now, for example, you'll go to the shop to buy milk or buy anything. For example, you will get 2 liters of milk or 5 kgs of sugar, or so you will ask your mother to give 2.5 chapati. Right now, 2.5 chapati, or so you will say, I ate 3 1/4 pieces of cakes. Right now, or I ate 1.5 piece of cake, right, like that. Right now, and 5.6 meters of cloth. Right now, see, we'll be using all these numbers in our daily life. See, what is 2 here? See, I have used different types of numbers here. See, 2 is whole number, 5 is whole number. What is this 2.5 chapati? That is fraction, right? No, that is fractional numbers. See, here also we are using fraction. And what is this 5.6? That is decimals, right now, children? So, you know, we are using all the types of number. But here, okay, let us go one by one. Rational numbers. Yes, types of numbers. In that first number type is natural numbers. What are these natural numbers? For example, I'll ask you a question. How many students are there in your class? How many students are there? Yes. Okay. How many teachers are there in your school? Okay. For that, see, always we will count from 1. Okay. Not from 0. 1 ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Not 0 1 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So these numbers are also called as counting numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. So it is denoted by the letter N. Capital N ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ natural numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by the letter N. These are also called as counting numbers. And they consist of only positive numbers. You should know only 3 things, children. See, these are counting numbers. Which is the first number here? It starts with 1, and these are positive numbers. Understood? And which is the second type? Whole numbers. See, whole numbers. Whole numbers means these are denoted by the letter W. Natural numbers begins with the number 1, but if you add 0 to that, see, whole numbers start with the number 0. Here also, we see only positive numbers. Okay. And next type is integers. Integers, because here we are not using the letter I, because it is used for irrational numbers. So we are using the letter Z. Z is nothing but integers. It is taken from the word Zallan. Okay, that's why we have given Z. Z is nothing but integers. See here, in first and second cases, we saw only positive numbers. Right now, in integers, we have both positive and negative number. Here we have +1, -1, +2, -2, +3, -3. Got it, children? So this is about integers. All of you know all these 3 already you have studied in your previous classes. So in this chapter, you are going to learn about rational numbers and definition. What are rational numbers, and what are the properties of rational numbers? Properties of rational numbers, and how to represent on the number line. Okay, how to represent the rational numbers on the number line. Okay. Rational numbers. Rational numbers andre yavdu? See, it will be in the form of P by Q. What do you mean by P by Q? Say it is, it is a fraction. Fraction form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ numbers ನ ನಾವು rational numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is denoted by the letter Q. Okay, so quotient ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ division ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So that's why we have given Q. R is nothing but real numbers. So for rational numbers, we have given Q. So the numbers which are in the form of, okay, form of P by Q. P by Q form alliro numbers na navu rational numbers anta heltivi. Okay, and there are some conditions here. See, what are P and Q here? The P and Q are integers. P and Q na navu integers anta yavadadru integers agirutte. And what is the condition? Q should not be equal to 0. Why Q should not be equal to 0? If it becomes 0, what happens? What is 2 by 0? For example, what do you mean? What is 0 by 2? 0 by any number, the answer is 0. Right now. But what is 2 by 0? If the denominator is 0, it is not defined. Okay, it is not defined, children. So we cannot write it as 2 by 0. That's why we should write the condition whenever you write the definition. Rational numbers are nothing but it is in the form of P by Q, and P and Q are the integers. Q should not be equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು rational numbers definition? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So P by Q form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. P and Q are integers. Q should not be equal to 0. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Okay, children. See next. So we'll go for the next concept. There are 4 basic properties of numbers. Okay. So which are the 4 properties? Before that we have first one is closure property. Closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, distributive property. So you have to study all these in this chapter. Okay. So let us discuss one by one. See, first one ಏನಿತ್ತು? Closure property. Closure property. For example, I will take whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. Which numbers come here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all positive numbers. You know that. Okay, listen all of you. Closure property andre ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, I'm taking 2 numbers. Take any 2 numbers. So generally we take A and B. A and B are whole numbers. That means belongs to whole numbers. Andre belongs to ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? W ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. Belongs to W. Okay. See, when we add these 2 numbers, so here in all the properties, we have to check it for all the mathematical operations. Andre plus, minus, into, division. Ella ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay na? See, I will show you that. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and division. So we have to do all the operations here, children. See, we have example. I'll take any two numbers. I will take 3 and 5. 3 and 5 belongs to W. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ if you add, what will you get the answer? For example, A plus B. I will write here A plus B is equal to C. C is nothing but answer. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು whole numbers ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, it is belonging to the set or not ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Subtraction ಅಂದ್ರೆ just take the same numbers we are subtracting. Okay, here multiplication ಅಂದ್ರೆ A into B is equal to C. A divided by B is equal to C. Okay, ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? See, once again I'll tell you. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I have taken from whole numbers. I have taken two whole numbers. Those are 3 and 5. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is how much? Yes, it is 8. Right now? So 8 ಅನ್ನೋದು whole numbers ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Yes, 8 belongs to W. It is also a whole number. Right now, children? Next, come to subtraction. So 3 minus 5, that is equal to, what is 3 minus 5? Just now I taught you, we are subtracting big number from small number. So it is minus 2. Does minus 2 belong to the set? No. Minus 2 baratta whole numbers alli baralla, because it has only positive numbers. But here the answer we are getting the negative number. So naven martivi nodi, belongs to andre idu, not belongs to andre you have to put a cross. Okay, so not belongs to W. Got it? Now let us do multiplication. 3 into 5 is equal to, what is 3 into 5? 15. Does 15 belong to the set? Yes. Whole number 15 is also a whole number. How dalva? So belongs to whole number. Next, come to the last division. 3 divided by 5. How will you write 3 divided by 5? 3 by 5 anta barta ide namge answer. Does it belong to the set? Idu whole number hauda? Illa, because it is a, which number? 3 by 5 is a rational number, not a whole number. So does not belongs to whole number. Understood, children? Here we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But yavudralli namge seride serilla nodi. First one, yes, it belongs to W. It is not belonging to W. Here it belongs to W. Here it does not belong to W. Alva? So ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, for whole numbers the law holds good anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, or it is closed under addition. Closed under addition. Okay, it is closed under multiplication. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? See here, addition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ multiplication ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? Closure property closed under addition and multiplication for whole numbers ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. That's it. Okay. So next we'll go for the so same closure property ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Closure property. So which number shall I take? Shall I take integers? So integers are nothing but 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, so on. Okay, I'll take any two numbers. -5 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ and +8 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, I had taken 2 numbers, children. So what do you have to do? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you have to do all, you have to apply all the mathematical operations. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, first you have to add these two numbers, that is -5 plus 8. See, -5 ನೋಡಿ, bracket means what you have to do, children? Bracket ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, bracket ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನ, not numbers. Plus into plus, you are removing the bracket. Bracket na remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌದು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -5 plus 8. ನೋಡಿ, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, +8 ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ opposite numbers. One is positive, one is negative. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Big number has plus sign, so it is +3. Does it belong to the group? 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು integer ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು, 3 is an integer, right? No, so it belongs to Z. Now come to subtraction, children. I think all of you getting the concept. So minus, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? +8 ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? -5 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾವ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. minus into plus is -8. So what is your answer here? -5 -8. Both are negative numbers. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 8 plus 5 is 13. But sign ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? Yes, -13. Does -13 belong to the set? ಇದು integer ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದು. -13 is an integer. It belongs to Z. Okay, children. Now multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. -5 into +8. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Already I had told you should multiply the signs first. So minus into plus, minus 5 8s are 40, -40 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು integer ಆ? ಹೌದು. -40 is an integer. It belongs to Z. Okay, children. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. -5/8. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್? ನೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ rational number. It does not belong to Z. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ closure property is closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication for integers or in integers. Got it? Okay. Next we'll go for closure property for rational numbers. Okay, so you know what are rational numbers, and you know one thing, children. See, rational numbers contains all the types of numbers. It contains natural numbers. Natural numbers ella baruttalva. And what is the next one? W whole numbers barutte and integers barutte. So moorunu barutte Q alli. Artha aita? So Q contains all the types of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, Z ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Q is equal to P by Q form of numbers alva. So I will take any two numbers, take -3/5 and 1/5. Okay. So let us do addition, subtraction ಮಾಡೋಣ, multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಲ್. ಕ್ಲೋಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? See, take two numbers, rational numbers, that is -3/5 plus 1/5. So I had taken denominators are same because ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Denominators are same, right? In the denominator ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Yes, you have to simplify the numerators directly. I will write here -3 plus 1. What is the answer here? -3 plus 1. It is -2/5. Does it belong to the set? Yes, it is a rational number. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So belongs to Q ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Minus ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, no problem. I had told you, no, P and Q are the integers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So let us do subtraction. -3/5 minus 1/5. So denominators are same. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? 5 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So numerators ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ, -3 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಿ and write this minus as it is -1. We are subtracting. So I have put minus sign. What is -3 minus 1? We had to add the numbers. So it is -4/5. Yes. Does it belong to the set? Yes, it is a rational number. Next, come to multiplication. -3/5 into 1/5. See, in addition, subtraction, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? If the denominators are same, you will write as it is. You are not adding or subtracting the denominators. But in multiplication, you have to multiply the denominators. 5 into 5, that is 25. First, multiply the signs, children. Minus into plus is minus. 3 into 1 is 3. So we got -3/25. Does it belong to the set? Yes. A set ge related agidya? Haudu. So it is belonging to the set Q. Andre it is a rational number. Next, divide madana. So -3/5 divided by 1/5. See, what is the rule, children? You have to change the sign. Take reciprocal of second fraction. Here we can cancel 5/5. So -3 1/5 anto it belongs to Z anta nevu, sorry, Q anta baritira. But you should know one thing. Nodi illi ee tara just one number ge check ಮಾಡಿ conclude ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Because before that, nodi, it is closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication, but not under division. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, for example 3/0 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 3/0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is not defined. Okay children, you should know this concept. 0 by any number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Any number by 0, it is not defined. So it is not closed under division. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is about closure property. So next, come to commutative property. So what is commutative closure property? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು add, subtract, multiplication, division ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? Second property, commutative property. We are taking two numbers only. A and B, two numbers ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ and we are changing the order of the numbers here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಲು ಬದಲು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 + 2 = ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, 2 + 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ 5 + 11 = 11 + 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 5 × 11 = 11 × 5. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್. What is commutative property? One second. Yes. Commutative properties of addition. See, when two or more numbers are added, then the order in which addition of the numbers takes place has no effect on the sum. Artha aita? For example, we are taking any two numbers, children. A + B = B + A. Artha agta idya? A - B = B - A. You are taking two numbers. Adu nimge same answer barutta ilva check madkobeku. And A × B = B × A. And A / B = B / A. You have to check all for all these. Okay. Yes, let us do one by one. Yes. See, when two numbers are multiplied, so this is for multiplication. The product will always the same irrespective of the order of the multiplication. Okay, I'll show you that. What is the property, children? Property ondsala heli ellaru. Commutative property. Tell me once again. Commutative property. See, what is commutative property? Let us take two numbers. Yav set tagolana iga. Shall we start from whole numbers? Yes, whole numbers alli tagolana. I will take 3 and 10. Okay. So 3 matte 10 and tagondidini. So it belongs to W. Now do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So I read on what is the rule, children, here? A + B = B + A. Illi minus matra into division. Okay. Three + 10 = nodi B + A and 3 10 + 3. What is 3 + 10? Write the answer. It is 13. What is 10 + 3? It is 13. Are the same? Yes, both are same. So it is satisfying the property. Rule na satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now come to subtraction. That is A - B = B - A. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. So take the same numbers. 3 - 10 = 10 - 3. So left hand side left alle bariri, right hand side do right alli answer bariyona. 3 - 10 ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 - 10 it is -7. What is 10 - 3? It is 7. Are both the numbers are same? No, one is positive number and another one is negative number. Artha aita? So it is not satisfying the rule. Next, multiplication madana. A × B = B × A. 3 × 10 is equal to 10 into 3. Will you get same answers? Yes. 3 into 10 is 30. 10 into 3 is 30. Artha aita ellargo? So 3 10s are andru onde, 10 3s are, both are same. 2 5s 10, 5 2s ellanu ondene. So it is satisfying the property rule. Next divide madana. A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Same answer baratta illi? No, we won't get, because nodili 6 by 2 is equal to 2 by 6. See, what is 6 by 2? We know it is 3. Alva? 6 divided by 2. 6 na 2 in the divide madre. You will get, what is the answer? You should not say 0 answer. It should 3. 3 is the answer. If you divide 2 by 6, see, what will you get the answer? You will get decimals, right? No? 3 is 0.3 something baratte. Alva? So same barta ide namge LHS RHS illa, not equal. Okay, children. So which property is it? Commutative property. So commutative property is closed under addition and multiplication, not under subtraction and division. Yavudralli yav set ge anta helbeku? Whole numbers alli. Okay na? Next, I will take integers, children. I will take -4 and +3. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Plus minus into division. So ಬೇಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, add ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that is A plus B is equal to same rule. We are taking for different sets. ಬೇರೆ set types ತಗೊಂಡು check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Now we have taken integers. So -4 plus 3 and 3 minus 4. What is -4 plus 3? It is -1. Right? It is -1. That is equal to 3 minus 4. That is -1. Both are same. So it is satisfying the rule. Okay, we have only 2 minutes, children. Okay, ನಾನು ಇದು next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, closure property discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ? Closure property and commutative property. Commutative property and definition for rational numbers. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Did you understand all the concepts, children? Okay, if you are understood, all of you say thumbs up. Sure, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ concepts? Yes, okay. So keep practicing. Okay, keep practicing, children.
Yes,
If you okay. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? Did you understand all the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no doubt in commutative property and closure property?
No.
Already it is done, no, children? Class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ practice ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು, and I'll continue in the next class, children. Okay, so I'll do subtraction here. A minus B is equal to B minus A. So which numbers we have taken already? Okay, A is -4 minus which number are we subtracting? +3 na subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. And 3 minus A is -4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ? -4 plus 3. -4 we are subtracting. So B is 3. So -4 ಇದು -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, remove the bracket, minus into minus, that is plus. So what is -3 and -4? ಎಷ್ಟು -3 -4? -7, and it is +7. Are the same? No, they are not same. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. -4 and 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. -4 into 3, a into b is equal to b into a. Just reverse the numbers, children. So whether, let me see, we will get the same product or not. Plus into minus is minus, 4 3s are 12. Plus into minus is minus, 3 4s are 12. Yes, both are same. Okay, so let us go for division. -4 by 3 is equal to 3 by -4. See, what will you get? -4 by, are the same or different? Directly you can say it is, they are not same, not equal. Right, no? So in conclude ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ? ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು and multiplication ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. So they are closed under addition and multiplication. Okay, children, I have to teach commutative property for rational numbers. So take any two numbers, -2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Okay. Yes. So we are doing commutative property. Commutative property, that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Let us do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I have taken two numbers. -2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. See, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು minus ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So both are same. So -2 plus 1, it is -1 is equal to, right, same. 1 minus 2, it is -1. Are they same? Yes, both the answers are same. -1 by 5, -1 by 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Both are equal. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So the law holds good. ಇಲ್ಲ, it is satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now subtraction ಮಾಡೋಣ. -2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus. See, which one you are going to subtract? You are going to subtract -2 by 5. So I am writing in the bracket. Denominators are same. -2 minus 1 is equal to, here also 1. Nodi, minus into minus become plus 2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Here -2 minus 1 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? -3 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ by 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 by 5. Are the same? No, they are different, not equal. So it is not satisfying the rule. Come to multiplication. -2 by 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 into -2 by 5. Just interchange ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is the first answer? 5 5 is 25. Numerator is minus 2 is equal to 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 5 5 is 25. Yes, both are same. And come to division. Divided by 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 by divided by minus 2 by 5. So you know the children ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 6 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್, 2 by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ಸೊ ಕಾಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ subtraction. Okay, children, I think all of you understood all the concepts. Keep practicing. We'll continue in the next class, next Thursday, right? Next Thursday. Okay, till that, practice ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. Take care, children. Bye bye.